This shipment looks good, move it inside.
Roger, starting the first pallet now.
Okay, bring the next pallet right up to the line. We're starting the conveyor.
Here at the weighing station, each batch of chicken feet is precisely measured, like this one at 15.5 kilograms. The weighed chicken feet are now carried towards the automatic washing tunnel, where a high-pressure spray begins the cleaning process.
Here in the washing drum, thousands of chicken feet are blasted with high-pressure water to ensure maximum cleanliness.
The chicken feet are then transported to the secondary washing channel for deep cleaning and sanitation.
The sanitized chicken feet now enter the rinse tunnel. Here, high-pressure jets of purified
These here, they need to be slightly firmer before they move to the trimming phase.
I agree. Let's adjust the dewatering settings immediately.
Here we see the high-speed rotary blades trimming the claw tips with incredible precision as they move down the line. Thousands of feet pass through the tumbler, where the unwanted outer layer is efficiently separated.
Everything running smoothly on your end, Maria?
Yes, boss. No issues with the cutting phase.
Next, the aligned chicken feet enter the precision rotary cutting system. Sharp, food-grade blades trim the uneven. The automated splitting machine gently opens the thicker sections of the chicken feet to improve seasoning penetration. The chicken feet are thoroughly rinsed in this stainless steel tunnel, where purified water sprays remove all cutting residues before they head to marination. The chicken feet now enter the dewatering phase, where excess moisture is gently shaken off before flavor treatment. The flavor mixture is prepared in these large stainless steel tanks before heading to marination.
Check the consistency on the next batch. It looks a little light. Got it. Adjusting the tumbler speed now.
Emerging from the steam cooker, these fully cooked broiler chicken foot are darker in color due to the enhanced seasoning absorption. After steaming, the rich golden brown chicken foot are infused with seasoning as they rapidly move towards the large, rotating flavor drums for final coating.
Check the seasoning levels on the next rotation. Looks good. The coverage is uniform.
The coating on batch 42 looks consistent. Approved for moisture reduction.
After seasoning, the chicken feet are transferred to the dehydration department, where massive industrial fans begin the crisping process. Thousands of chicken feet continue tumbling as the automated flavor injectors release a second layer of seasoning, significantly increasing the flavor intensity.
Next, the heated sealing jaws close tightly around the pouches, creating a perfect hermetic seal every time.
The inkjet coating machine rapidly applies batch numbers and expiration dates to ensure traceability and quality control. The throughput on line 3 increased by 10% this quarter.
Yes, the new gripper design is working perfectly.
pallet 32B. Count 48 cases.
Confirmed. Loading Bay 2. Confirming shipment 4B is loaded. Yes, the manifest is updated.